My name is Erika and I'm an MCAT tutor for Inspira Advantage. I recently graduated from MIT with a double major in biological engineering and brain and cognitive science. My biggest MCAT strengths are in the biology and behavioral science sections. I've been tutoring in various capacities since I was 12 years old, and I love to help students learn and reach their full potential. Currently, I am working as a research assistant in an academic neurosurgery department. I've also been enjoying some free time post-college, so I've been using that to crochet, bake, and read. In the future, I hope to specialize in neurosurgery. During my time at MIT, I was a member of the track and field team, where I competed in the throwing events. I was also a tutor for the MIT biology department and was involved in a program where I tutored local immigrants to help them prepare for the U.S. citizenship exam. I was also involved in several research projects, including some in cognitive science, molecular biology, and medical device design. I believe that the key to success on the MCAT is to be able to understand the basic concept the test asks and then be able to apply them to novel situations. In my opinion, you'll never be able to remember everything on test day, so having a really solid understanding of basic scientific principles and then being able to apply those concepts to novel situations is something I think is essential to performing well on the test. One thing that I think I'm uniquely able to help students with is how to approach questions when you don't immediately know the answer or even the specific concept the questions are asking about. In my experience, the MCAT is filled with clues about the correct answer to a question, so I prioritize helping students identify and use those clues in tandem with their scientific knowledge so that they can maximize their score. I think my greatest strength as a tutor is being able to relate to students, and I'm very familiar with the demands of being a busy college student while also studying for the MCAT and balancing other life responsibilities. I try to maximize the time that students have to spend studying for the test and provide them with useful strategies that apply to many questions on the MCAT. I think another strength of mine is distilling complicated information into the most essential components and then being able to show how to use those components to answer some of the more complex questions without requiring excessive memorization. I am passionate about helping pre-med students because I think that everyone who wants to be a doctor should have a fair shot at reaching that goal. The MCAT can seem really intimidating, but with the right approach, I believe it can be very manageable as well. Succeeding on the MCAT is essential to a career in medicine, so helping students to achieve their goals through tutoring is something that's very rewarding to me.